For our problem number 1, a square tied column 450 millimeters on each side is reinforced with 8 25 millimeter bars with FY 415 MPa. Determine the the safe service axial live load if the axial dead load on the column is 820 kilonewton. Use F prime C that is equivalent to 21 megapascal. So for our solution, so this is a square tied column. Sabi natin, kapag tied column, nung maalala natin kanina, yung ating alpha doon ay equivalent to 0.8 and yung ating phi naman for tied ay 0.65. So use NSCP ano dito guys, no? NSCP 2010. Okay, paano natin ngayon makukuha yung ating safe service axial live load? Sabi natin, ultimate load capacity is equal to 1.2 axial dead load plus 1.6 axial live load. Kaya ang hinahanap is determine the axial live load. Ito yung kailangan natin. So kailangan muna nating ma-solve yung PU and substitute natin dito later on, makukuha na natin yung PL. Okay? So ano na yung ating PU? Yung ating ultimate load capacity. So that is equivalent to, iba yun ay equivalent to phi nominal, which is yung nominal natin ay equivalent to alpha 0.85 F prime C AG minus AC AS plus FY multiplied by AS. Okay? So given yung ating bilang ng ating main bars, so pwede nating ma-solve yung AS dito. Yung AG naman natin, meron naman tayong dimension ng ating square column. So that is S squared lang yun guys, no? Base times height. So pwede natin ma-solve later on yung ating PU. Okay, substitute natin yung ating given. Yung alpha natin, phi, I should say, for tied column for NSCP 2010 for tied. So that is equivalent to 0.65. Then yung alpha naman natin, for tied, that is equivalent to 0.8. Then, substitute lang natin yung given natin dito. That is equivalent to 0.85. F prime C natin, we have 21 megapascal. Ano naman yung AG natin? That is the gross. If this is our tied column, that is 450 by 450. Paano natin ngayon makukuha yung gross area niyan? That is base times height lang, or 450 times 450, or pwede nating sabihin that is 450 squared minus yung area ng ating steel. We have, meron daw tayong 25 mm. So yung area ng ating steel ngayon, we can say that area of our steel is equivalent to 8 multiplied by pi over 4 times 25 squared. Plus Fy natin, we have 415. And yung AS natin, ganun din, 8. Bakit 8? Kasi 8 na piraso. Pi over 4, then 25 squared. Therefore, our PU will be equivalent to, so this will be equivalent to 2690.599 kilonewton. Okay? So meron na tayong ultimate load capacity, therefore pwede na natin ma-solve yung ating service actual live load. Substitute na natin dito, PU natin, ito, substitute ko na dito, 2690.599 is equal to 1.2 dead load. We have 820 plus 1.6 live load. Therefore, yung ating safe service live load will now be equivalent to 1066.624 kilonewton. And this is now our answer.